My favorite quote from Turkey, it's when he runs in on the last song and screams, "I made it through Thanksgiving!" That's my favorite quote from Turkey.
Yeah.
My favorite song is, I don't remember the name, it's the one, no, I like Warts and All. That's a good song. Oh yes, 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 yes!
What?
I made it through Christmas!
My name is Michael Kennedy. My experience with music theater is that I have sung on stage and I've acted out skits before, but I've never properly been in music theater until now when I joined the Patriot Players for their production of Honk. My favorite Honk character is Drake. I'm not playing him in this show, but I think he's really funny. Why is he funny? Why do I like him? It's just because he's very funny and entertaining, and he's a very silly character. But I think my second favorite would be the Bullfrog, because he's also pretty funny. The opening song, A Poultry Tale, is a very whimsical tune, very funny, and I enjoy it, and it's my favorite because it starts off the show on a very lighthearted note.
Hi, my name is Lynn Sweet. I am the high school chorus director, and I also am the advisor to the drama club. I have done Honk before. I've done it 3 times, but I've done the junior version. Oh, there are so many songs that I love in the show. Oh, there are so many songs that I love in the show. Oh, there are so many songs that I love in the show. I guess if I had to pick a favorite, I probably would pick Warts and All, because I love the message that it sends. And I love the Bullfrog. Oh, again, if I had to pick a favorite character, that's a really tough one. But I love Ugly, because he's basically the main character, and he's the one that goes through his journey of finding self and finding acceptance.
I think Honk is a 1996 musical by George Stiles and Anthony Drew, who made the musical original songs for the Mary Poppins musical. The rest were, the ones from the movie were by the Sherman Brothers long before this. He wanted to make a Disney-esque musical comedy based on The Ugly Duckling. So Stiles and Drew state their inspiration to be The Jungle Book. There are two British songwriters who make music for music theater, Stiles and Drew. They also are their best known original work is that of Honk, and it won an Olivier Award, beating out The Lion King.
There are so many songs that I love in the show.